Hello everyone and welcome to Students Wallah. Today we are going to discuss about the units of measurement used in cell biology. It is going to be just like a fun fact where you're going to learn, you're going to be exposed to different measuring units in cytology, right? And you'll have to deal with such terms in cytology, so it will be very tough for you when you will reach such words and you will not know what does that mean, right? So for that particular thing I'm going to discuss this. All right, so the units of measurement used in cell biology. Now what is cell biology? Cell biology means cytology. Okay, it just means cytology. Okay. Now, the cells and their organelles are measured by fractions or multiples of a millimeter. Millimeter, 1 centimeter is how many millimeter? For this, you need your maths to be strong. 10 millimeter, correct? And so, 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters, correct? So, the cells and the organelles, they are measured by the fractions or multiples of a millimeter. Now with this particular thing only we do some mischiefs and then we end up getting different units. Alright, a millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. Let's understand this. Now how many, I'm going to use a fresh board for this particular thing. So I'll explain you. It was written what? 1,000th of a millimeter, 1 millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. It was written, this line was written. Now we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. We also know 1 centimeter is 10 mm. So how many mm in 100 centimeter? 100 centimeter will have 100 into 10, which is 1000 millimeter. Now this is one relation I established. Second relation. Now we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter. So now this is one relation, this is the second relation. Now comparing these two, 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So 100 centimeter will be 1 by 100 into, what is going to be? Wait, let's just a minute please. Supposed to do this over here. 1 minute please. Yeah, this particular thing I was correct at. So 1 centimeter is this meter. So 100 centimeter will be how many millimeter? 1000 millimeter. Similarly, here we can establish that 1 meter is going to be 1 by 100 into 10. Okay, now this has to be flipped down. 1 by 100 into 10 millimeter. So what does that give us? 1 by 1000 millimeter. I hope it is crystal clear now. Okay, alright. Now let's come to the point. So this thing we understood, and the symbol for millimeter is mm. Now 1,000th of a millimeter is called a micron. Alright, we represent micron as this. ऐसे माइक्रोन को represent करते हैं. तो जो माइक्रोन होता है that is 1,000th of a millimeter. ठीक है, this is 1,000th of a millimeter. Alright. Now its symbol is mm. Again this micrometer or micron is also, the symbol is mm, and it is equal to 10 mm. Okay, 1 micron is equal to 10 mm. 1,000th of a micron is termed as millimicron or nanometer. Now these units can be confusing, but you have to remember it. Let's come to this particular conversion set. Remember this one, this is not 10 minus 3, it's 10 to the power minus 3. Alright, so 1 millimeter is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Then 1 millimeter is 1 micrometer is 10 millimeter. 1 nanometer, it's going to be 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter or 10 to the power minus 6 micrometer. Now 1 angstrom is represented by this. So 1 angstrom is 10 to the power minus 1 nanometer or 10 to the power minus 1 micrometer or 10 to the power minus 1 millimeter. So remember, this is nanometer, millimeter, micrometer. Like this you have to just remember all the words. So these were the some sets of important units I needed to discuss before dealing with the chapter itself. So I hope this is crystal clear now. So just a second. Yeah, I hope this is crystal clear to all of you now. And next class we'll be doing something amazing. Do watch the other videos also. And in the previous cell chapter, I just posted a link where you could just learn some practical things about the microscope and its functions. You can see the cheek cells and the onion peel cells under the microscope. We'll be discussing that in the next video for sure. So till then, have a great day and thank you very much.